Founded in 1938, Samsung was the brainchild of its founder Lee Byung-chul. Back then, he and his family were into selling groceries and noodles. Then the company ventured into securities, insurance, and even small business retail. However, back in 1970, they came out with their first product, which was a 12-inch black and white television. 50 years on, Samsung is at the forefront of consumer tech innovation, and in this video, we'll tell you 5 things that you didn't know about Samsung. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. The meaning of the Samsung logo. Well, in Korean, Samsung means 3 stars. The name was chosen by its founder because he thought that his company will last forever, just like the stars in the sky. The 3 stars remained the part of a Samsung logo as well till the year 1993, when they came out with a new logo which is clean and simple. Number 2. Samsung through and through. Well, 90% of the products that are produced by Samsung are made in their own factories. They do not outsource it to anyone. This is a way to ensure rigorous levels of quality to every component that goes into their modern devices. That is some commitment by the South Korean giant when everyone in the 21st century just wants to outsource. Number 3. World first in consumer tech. Samsung in a way ensures that their products actually fulfill some or the other need of humans in general. That is why the products are usually designed around the needs of its consumers. This is the reason why their designers aim to go beyond function to create technology that is an intuitive extension of people's needs and lifestyles. Case in point, the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. The company has had many firsts in the industry. To name a few, in 1996, Samsung commercialized the world's first CDMA cellular system. In 1998, they invented the world's first digital TV set. In 1999, they also introduced the world's first watch phone as well as the world's first MP3 phone and the first TV phone. Talk about a company that kind of makes all sorts of phones and is a king of making smartphones in the 21st century. Number 4. Memory number 1. Well, many of you might not know that Samsung has been a leader in designing and manufacturing memory semiconductors since the year 1993. They have created essential memory products including dynamic random access memories, also known as DRAM, static random access memory, SRAM, NAND flash memory, solid state drives, and a range of green memory solutions for the use in PC, servers, and mobile applications. Samsung is also leading the industry in the advancement of next generation DRAMs and NAND flash technologies while nurturing future memory technologies. Well, most of the phones that you use and even the PCs and laptops that you use usually have some bit of Samsung in them. Reason number 5. Samsung makes skyscrapers. Yes, Samsung is not just into consumer tech, but they also have a construction division which is responsible for making the world's tallest building, which is the Burj Khalifa. They were the main contractors on this project along with Bexis from Belgium and Arab Tech from UAE. The Burj Khalifa, known as the Burj Dubai before its inauguration, with a total height of 829.8 meters, is the tallest structure in the world since 2008. And Samsung just did not stop there. The 2 other super tall skyscrapers were also built by Samsung's construction division, the Taipei 101 and even the Petrona Towers in Malaysia. So what were your favorites on this top 5 list? Tell us in the comment section below. If you like the video, press that like button, and of course for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and even press that bell icon.